Hello team, Chelsea's Tech 874. We are out in Chicago. Furnace is acting up. Homeowners looking to get a full system here. All right, you're looking at a 90% efficiency. Oops, that's right. Okay, 90% efficiency. It is a 21 inch, 92,000 BTU. Okay, there is an existing humidifier. Looks like it's outdated. It is connected to an angle stop though. That's good. You've got a couple of supplies. Your supply, you have two 11-inch round ducts that I can see. And then you also have a 7-inch round coming through here. Your return drop is at 24 by 12. Okay, you do have a filter insert section here, kind of connected within the return drop. The filter's 1625 by 1. Alright, this is pretty much your workspace area. You are on the second floor of on a third story unit. So this is the stairs that you'll have to come up through, so just keep that in mind. And then there's a few flights of stairs that lead to the front door that you see in this video as well. And I'll bring you right to here. Okay, pretty much all the information I have on this. Okay, Chelsea's Tech 874.